Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed viewers and fellow learners, a pleasant day to each of you. My name is Cristan H. Morgado from Bachelor of Science with specialization in Physics 3. Welcome for today's presentation on the captivating and culturally rich Bajau tribe live within the coastal region of the Philippines and other parts of Southeast Asia. The Bajau, also known as the Sama Bajau, are an indigenous ethnic group whose seafaring tradition and vibrant heritage have captivated the hearts of many.
Una ye una ye una ye una ye una ye una.
The Bajau people, also known as sea gypsies, living on a boat and making a living as expert fishermen, deep sea divers, and navigators. The Bajau tribe, also known as the Sama Bajau, is an indigenous ethnic group in the Philippines and other parts of Southeast Asia. The Bajau people are traditionally known for their seafaring lifestyle. They are skilled fishermen, divers, and navigators who live primarily on houseboat or stilt houses built above the water. Their lives are closely intertwined with the sea, and they have developed unique skills for fishing and diving in the water of the Sulu Sea and other coastal areas. The Bajau tribe is often described as a nomadic or semi-nomadic group as they move from place to place in search of fishing ground and resources. This nomadic lifestyle has shaped their cultural practices and traditions as they adapt to different environments and maintain a strong connection to the sea. The Bajau people have their own language known as Sinama, which is spoken among various Sama Bajau groups. Their culture is rich in traditions including unique dances, music, and rituals that reflect their maritime heritage and beliefs. The Bajau culture is characterized by vibrant colors, intricate craftsmanship, and a deep respect for nature. Their traditional attire include the pata de jong, a versatile garment used as a skirt, gown, head cover, wristband, and more. Women wear the sablay, a loose sleeve blouse along with the colored jewelry and accessories. The Bajau tribe has its own traditional dance called igal or pangalay, which is commonly performed by female Bajau dancers. This dance involves unique movement and is accompanied by drums or gabang played by the male Bajau. The dancers use metals, fingernails, or claws called jangay to enhance the movement of their hands during the performance. The Bajau tribe faces challenges such as poverty, displacement, and discrimination. Rapid urbanization and environmental changes have also impacted their traditional way of life. Efforts are being made to preserve the cultural heritage of the Bajau people, including initiatives to document their language, traditions, and practices. Despite the challenges they face, the Bajau tribe is known for their resilience and adaptability. They have maintained their cultural identity and tradition over generations, passing down knowledge and skills related to fishing, diving, and boat building. The Bajau people continue to navigate the waters of Southeast Asia, embodying a deep connection to the sea and a strong sense of community. The Bajau tribe is a fascinating indigenous group with a rich maritime culture and a history of resilience in the face of changing environments and societal pressures. Now, as we draw the curtains on our exploration of the captivating Bajau tribes, let us carry with us the echo of their seafaring tradition, the vibrancy of their cultural heritage, and the resilience of their community spirit. The Bajau people have shared with us a glimpse into the world where the sea is not just a source of sustenance but a way of life, a cultural compass guiding their journey through time. May the story we have heard, the dances we have witnessed, and the wisdom we have gained from the Bajau tribes inspire us to embrace diversity, cherish our connections to nature, and honor the tradition that shape our identities. Let us remember and carry forward the lesson of unity, resilience, and cultural pride that they have shared with us. May their legacy continue to shine bright on our heart and minds, reminding us of the beauty and richness of indigenous cultures that enrich our world. That's all. Thank you.